Welcome back to the VR Vacation Guide adventure to Gatlinburg, Tennessee. On today's adventure, we are going to provide a POV ride-along on the Rocky Top Mountain Coaster in Pigeonforge, Tennessee, right across from the Dollywood theme park. Tickets here, there's a bathroom right there. We go through this entrance. Alright. Cool.
The handles on the side is forward to go, back to slow. Do not stop on the track. Going up the hills, it's going to pull your cart up automatically.
Okay.
Once you're at the top of the hill, push them handles forward. That's your gas to get down to the bottom of the hill, alright?
Alright.
No bumping, no stopping on the track. Keep your hands and feet in there at all times.
Thank you for riding the Rocky Top Mountain Coaster. Push your handles forward now.
Fast?
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah. It's just slowed us down so that we don't catch up to other people, I guess.
To go fast. The bears are coming.
The bears! Not the bears! Woo! Woo! It just stops us automatically?
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, that was hard.
Yeah. I mean, they ain't lying.
They're on a toilet.
Yep. They a peeing and pooping.
Hey, you made it to the top. Push your handles forward and we'll see you at the bottom.
See me at the bottom. It feels like we're gonna follow the track sometimes. Ain't done yet. Yeah, this is cool. It's so fast.
I like it.
Nice.
I do too.
Thank you. That was awesome. All right.